The new Nissan NV 2500 is a powerful and versatile cargo van designed for businesses and individuals who need reliable transportation for heavy-duty tasks. Built with a rugged body-on-frame construction, it offers durability and strength, making it ideal for carrying large loads, equipment, or even custom conversions for different purposes. The exterior features a bold and commanding presence with a high roof option for added cargo space, sliding side doors for easy access, and rear doors that open wide for convenient loading and unloading. The front grille is designed with Nissan's signature look, giving the van a professional and modern appearance. Under the hood, the Nissan NV 2500 comes equipped with a choice of powerful engines, including a 4.0-liter V6 that delivers efficient performance and a 5.6-liter V8 that provides impressive towing capacity and power for heavier loads. The van is designed to handle demanding work environments, with a reinforced suspension system and a high ground clearance that ensures stability even when carrying maximum payloads. The rear-wheel drive configuration further enhances traction and control, making it a dependable option for businesses that require long-distance travel or frequent deliveries. Inside the cabin, the Nissan NV 2500 is built with practicality in mind. The driver's seat offers a high seating position for a commanding view of the road, and the dashboard is designed with an intuitive layout that ensures easy access to controls. The interior is spacious, with plenty of room for cargo, tools, or even customization options for different business needs. The cargo area is equipped with multiple tie-down points to secure items during transit, and optional shelving units and partitions can be added for enhanced organization. For technology and safety, the NV 2500 includes features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation options to assist drivers in managing their routes efficiently. Advanced safety systems like rear-view cameras, parking sensors, and electronic stability control provide additional security, helping drivers maneuver safely in tight spaces. The van is also equipped with airbags and reinforced side panels for added protection in the event of a collision. Fuel efficiency is optimized to ensure cost-effective operation, and the vehicle's overall maintenance is designed to be straightforward, reducing downtime for businesses that rely on their fleet. The combination of a strong engine lineup, practical design, and smart technology makes the Nissan NV 2500 a valuable asset for contractors, delivery services, and any business requiring a dependable and spacious work van. Whether used for hauling equipment, making deliveries, or even as a mobile workshop, the NV 2500 provides the versatility and reliability needed for professional use.